Good morning or good afternoon, ATPF families. My name is Emily Padilla and I'm a volunteer with ATPF. Today I will be reading Duck and Goose Find a Pumpkin by Tad Hills. Nice pumpkin, Thistle. Yes, it is. I want a pumpkin too. Let's go find one. Is our pumpkin in the log, Goose? No. Is our pumpkin in the leaf pile, Duck? No. Is our pumpkin up in the apple tree, Goose? No. Is our pumpkin under the water, Duck? No. Is our pumpkin on top of the stump, Goose? No. Have you tried the pumpkin patch? The what? We sure know how to find a pumpkin, Duck. Yes, we do. Thank you so much.